shark. Do, 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 do. Oh, good job, Rawson.
Oh, I got something.
Ah!
Welcome to Love You Toys Review. Hi kids, welcome to Love You Toys Review. Today we are going to be playing Shark Bite. We're going to play with Mommy. Here she is. Open it.
Hi, guys. Hi, guys.
Hi guys.
What are we playing today?
Shark Bite.
Shark bite? That looks so much fun. Okay, what does it say here?
It says Shark Bite.
It's a shark bite, that's right. It says good for 4 and up. How old are you?
3.
You're almost 4 though in 2 months, right?
Right.
Yeah, and you're 6? Yeah, that's right. You forgot. You're funny. Okay, let's open it up.
Hey.
Yeah, you can play 2 to 4 players with this game.
What?
2 to 4 players.
Oh.
And the box includes 1 hungry shark, 12 sea creatures, 1 fishing rod, 1 sticker sheet, and 1 instruction.
We're not easy.
Yeah, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, what do we have here? Let's show it into the camera.
Oh, I
Here.
got it already.
Yeah, because it's kind of hard, right?
Can I
Ooh. Oh
That
boy.
it?
Oh boy. So there's the hungry shark. Let me just look at the instruction here. Try to catch as many fish as you can, but watch out when the shark bites, you lose.
Icy.
What's that for?
Ice. Sticker.
Be the player who catches the most fish before the shark jumps. Okay. I think I have to open it like this. Oh, there. We'll open it like that. And then I think you put all the stuff in there, right?
There's a sticker first. You have to put the eyes of the
Oh,
shark.
okay, so there's sticker for the eyes. He looks like a scary shark.
Wait. This is,
What do you think, Rawson?
this is not a dice yet.
Oh, and the dice. Okay. Look at that. Baby shark doo 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 doo. Baby shark doo 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 doo. Oh, and these are the
Sea
sea
creature.
creatures. We've got some fish, lobsters, crabs.
I did it.
You have to put it like that. Oh, you're so smart, Rawson.
I already know that.
Do you? Okay, there you go.
I'm
Where's the
gonna
dice?
help.
Where's the dice? Yeah, the one you were doing. Oh, here. So Phoebe was able to
I see a fishing rod.
do fishing rods.
I want to do.
There. So the fish, you have to spread the mouth. Then it would click and it would lock. And there's some holes inside where you stick all your sea creatures like this. So there's 12 holes and there's 12 sea creatures. So it should click, Phoebe.
How you get this out?
Okay, so no, you don't have to get it out, but you'll do this, right? And then you pull, so you take out the sea creature, right?
This is the fish.
Yeah, that's the fish. Oh, there's 2 more. Is there 1 more spot?
Yeah, right
Where?
beside the yellow fish.
Ah, yeah, right. Okay, here.
I get one.
Okay, what we need to do is we have to roll the dice, and it would tell us how many fish we need to hook. There's 1, all sides says 1 fish except for this. So you'll have to get 2 fishes. You roll the dice, Phoebe. Whoa.
What do we have?
Just 1.
Just one. Okay.
Alright. Are you going next, Rawson?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't want to go.
Yeah. Yeah, the shark might bite your hand. Ooh, good job. Okay, your turn, Rawson. Oh, no, you have to roll the dice first. Roll the dice. Oh, one. Okay, you'll have to get one. Get one.
I mean, hot for me.
Oh, good job, Rawson. Oh, my turn.
Get to fish. Get to fish.
Oh, one. I'm gonna borrow your rod, okay?
Okay.
Why? Why do you want me to do two? Oh, all right.
It's a creature.
Okay, oh, dice first.
It was a creature.
It's a lobster. Two.
Yeah, two fish.
Okay. Okay, I'll just hold it.
One.
Ah!
One.
One. Oh. Okay, one. Whoa!
Oh!
Oh, I got something.
But the shark bit you though.
Oh no!
I got you.
Yeah, Phoebe won because she got the most creature. Okay, we'll do it again.
Look.
Okay, one more game.
One more game.
Creep,
Where is it?
creep.
Okay.
You have to go first and then me.
Okay. Turn the dice, Rawson.
No, baby.
No, your turn. Okay, one. Go get one. Ooh, good job. Okay, one. Is it my turn or your turn?
My turn.
Okay, there. Okay, one.
No.
Okay, I'll there. My turn. Alright, just one. Okay, I'll borrow this one.
Wait, there are two.
No. It's scary.
Mommy's the loser.
I lied. I didn't get any creature. Aww.
One more game. That was
more game.
a fast game.
There. Okay. Am I going first?
Yeah, and then me and then you.
Okay. One. I'll borrow it. Can I borrow?
One.
I want the red one. Oops.
Get the red one. Do it.
Alright, I got one. Or your Rawson's turn? Is it Rawson? Okay, it's Appe's turn. Okay, one. Ah!
Yay.
Okay, it's your turn, Rawson. Roll the dice.
Roll the dice for something epic.
Okay, one. Here.
Yay.
Here, here.
Thank you.
Be careful, the shark might get you.
Oh,
Good job, Rawson.
okay, my turn.
Mommy,
I'm gonna
she
lose
gets
again.
it.
Oh, one here. What should I do?
Get the
Here we go.
No, Rawson.
Ah!
Oh no!
He beat you again.
I
beat
know.
What did he get? What did he get?
One.
Okay, go get one.
No. 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 Okay, one more game.
Me and Mommy did not even get anything.
This fish is, this shark is so...
He's very hungry.
He's a hungry one. Okay, my
Yeah.
turn.
Okay, Mommy's turn.
Okay, one.
One. Dun 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 dun.
Do it.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's good. Your turn, ate.
Okay. Roll the dice. Roll the dice.
One.
I think I got a one.
One. Dun 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 dun.
You're jumping.
Okay, your turn,
Your turn,
Rawson.
Rawson.
I took care of this.
No.
No.
Just roll the die.
I got one.
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 Okay,
I
here.
got one. It is scaredy cat.
Okay, I'll help you. Come on. You want this one?
Ah!
Oh no! I lose again.
You lost again.
Uy, you do the dice.
One.
Dun 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 dun.
And there you go, guys. Hope you liked our video. It's a fun game for the kids. Even though Rawson's only 3, he's able to enjoy the game. Right, Rawson?
Right.
Yeah. So, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to our channel. What's our channel name?
Review Toys Review. Thank you for watching our video. Bye. Thanks for watching Review Toys Review.
Bye!